Welcome back to Top Tech Tools, your ultimate guide to making smart tool investments. Is a $200 cordless drill really worth 4 times more than a $50 one? Today I'm putting budget tools head to head against premium versions to show you exactly where your money goes. Some of these results will surprise you. I've selected 5 pairs of essential power tools that every homeowner and DIY enthusiast needs. For each pair, I'll break down the real differences in performance, build quality, and long-term value. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools deserve your hard-earned money and which premium features are just expensive marketing tricks. Let's start with the most essential tool in any collection, the cordless drill. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max is your typical budget option at just $45. You get basic drilling and driving capability with a 1.5 amp hour lithium battery that delivers about 115 unit watts of power output. Now, what does that actually mean? It handles most household tasks perfectly. Hanging pictures, assembling IKEA furniture, drilling pilot holes in soft wood. The chuck is plastic reinforced, which grips standard bits securely for light to medium tasks. The battery typically maintains good performance for 2 to 3 years with regular home use. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect at this price point. Mostly plastic housing with basic electronics. No bells and whistles, but it gets the job done for occasional DIY projects. Now let's look at the premium option, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless at $179. This is where you start seeing serious engineering improvements. The brushless motor delivers 340 unit watts of power. That's nearly 3 times the output of the budget option. But power isn't everything. This brushless technology means 50% longer runtime per charge and significantly extended tool life because there are no carbon brushes to wear out. The 2.0 amp hour battery often lasts 5 to 7 years with regular use. The metal chuck grips bits more securely and won't crack under stress. You get 15 clutch settings for precise torque control, crucial for driving screws without stripping heads or overdriving. The LED light placement is superior, actually illuminating your work area instead of casting shadows. Here's my honest assessment. The DEWALT is absolutely worth the extra $134 if you're doing regular projects working with hardwood, metal, or masonry, or if you need precise control for finish work. The brushless motor alone will outlast 2 to 3 budget drills. But, and this is important, if you're hanging pictures twice a year and assembling occasional furniture, the BLACK+DECKER handles 80% of what most homeowners need. The key decision factor is frequency of use and material hardness. For most people, I'd recommend starting with the budget option and upgrading when you outgrow it. You'll know when that happens. Moving on to cutting power, the SKILSAW 15 amp corded circular saw at $59. This is old school reliability with a 15 amp motor that delivers consistent power through a 7.25 inch carbide tipped blade. No battery to die on you mid-cut. The aluminum base plate is lightweight and provides decent stability for straight cuts. You get basic bevel adjustments up to 45 degrees, which covers most angle cuts you'll need. The blade guard is spring-loaded for safety, and the depth adjustment is straightforward. What you don't get is dust collection, advanced safety features, or cordless convenience. But for occasional use, cutting plywood for shelving, trimming deck boards, basic construction tasks, this saw cuts clean and straight every time. The premium option is the DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max at $299. This is where cordless technology finally matches corded performance. The 60-volt battery system delivers power equivalent to a 15 amp corded saw, but with total mobility. The game changer here is the electric brake. When you release the trigger, the blade stops spinning in under 2 seconds. Compare that to 10 to 15 seconds with a standard saw. That's a massive safety improvement worth the price alone. You also get an LED work light that actually illuminates the cut line, integrated dust collection port, and a magnesium base that's lighter than aluminum, but more durable. The brushless motor provides consistent power even as the battery charge drops. This is where professional features really matter. If you're doing regular construction work, remodeling projects, or any situation where you're moving around frequently, the DEWALT's cordless convenience is huge. The electric brake alone has prevented countless accidents. But here's the reality. Both saws cut equally straight and clean. If you're making occasional cuts near power outlets and can manage the cord, the SKILSAW delivers the same cutting performance for $240 less. My recommendation? Contractors and serious DIYers should invest in the DEWALT. Weekend warriors doing simple projects can absolutely get by with the SKILSAW and spend the savings on other tools. For surface preparation, let's look at sanders. The BLACK+DECKER Mouse Detail Sander at $29 is about as basic as it gets. The 1.2 amp motor generates 14,000 orbits per minute with a unique triangular pad design that's perfect for getting into corners and tight spaces. The small pad size means you'll spend more time on larger surfaces, but for detail work, sanding furniture edges, removing paint from window frames, smoothing joint compound, this little guy's surprisingly effective. The dust collection is primitive, just holes punched in the sanding pad that sorta work. You'll still need to clean up afterward, but it's better than nothing. The hook and loop sandpaper system makes changing grits quick and easy. Now we're jumping to the FESTOOL ETS 150/3 random orbital sander at $449. This is the Rolls-Royce of sanders, and the price reflects that. The 310 watt motor provides variable speed from 4,000 to 10,000 RPM, so you can match the speed to your material and grit. The 6-inch pad covers significantly more surface area, cutting your sanding time in half for large projects. But the real magic is the dust extraction system. When connected to a shop vacuum, it captures 99% of dust particles. Your workspace stays clean and you're not breathing harmful particles. The random orbital action prevents swirl marks that can ruin your finish. The ergonomic design with soft grip reduces hand fatigue during extended use. This is a tool designed for all-day professional use. This is the biggest price gap, 15 times more expensive. For professionals who sand daily, the FESTOOL's dust collection and finish quality are worth it. For weekend furniture refinishing, the BLACK+DECKER gets the job done. The middle ground, a DEWALT random orbital sander around $89 gives you better dust collection without the premium price. Bottom line from these three comparisons. Premium tools give you real performance improvements, brushless motors, better safety features, and professional control. But match your tool quality to your usage frequency. Weekend projects, budget tools work fine. Regular construction work, premium tools save time and deliver better results. If this helped you choose the right tools, hit subscribe for weekly tool reviews. Drop a comment. Are you team budget or team premium? Thanks for watching.